Welcome back. Today we're gonna be playing some beetle, and let's see if first off, let's see if we could get a gifted bee from a. Oh yeah, I also got a mythic bee, and I also got crimson bee, cause I'm a red hive, or I'm trying to be a red hive. Oh, look at me. But I also just got the gold amulet, and also I got the king beetle amulet. So let's see what we should do. I wish I had another amp pass. I literally just wasted all my ammo. I only got the bronze. So that was something that sucked. And also now I'm happy because I could get into Dapperberry shop. I think I could literally buy nothing. Yeah, I don't think I would. If I could, I would buy this. If I could, I would buy this. This? How much would it take? It would take. Here's my ticket plan. Should we harvest it for views? Yeah. And please tell me how to get the ace badge. I needed I think I remember needing the next bee that I want to get, the next mythic bee once I put more Robux and I buy a mythic item. I need the precise or something. There's everything. Oh, I got barely anything. I went the way that vector was going. Yes, and I will upload tomorrow. I will try I wanted to record me doing that, but I didn't have me doing them as a oh, that was like the I can literally get it from any other bee. There's Victor Bee.